Hello dear bachcho, welcome back to our channel. Today let us look at chapter 12, A Bad Dream. This is going to be very interesting chapter. Let us look at the questions and answers of A Bad Dream. Why was Mr. Hill upset with Annie? Mr. Hill was upset with Annie because she was a bad cook. She wasn't able to prepare good coffee either. Either माने कि good coffee भी नहीं बना सकती. Mr. Hill felt embarrassed when people came to his house for dinner and got bad food. Embarrassed means feeling ashamed. Ashamed feel करना किसी काम के लिए. Okay? तो जब भी कोई लोग आते थे वहाँ पे उनके घर पे खाने के लिए तो एनी जो फूड कुक करती थी वो अच्छा नहीं रहता था और मिस्टर हिल बहुत शेमफुल फील करते थे. Now let us look at question number 2. What did Mr. Hill expect his wife to do in the parties? Mr. Hill was the manager of the bank. He wanted his wife to meet and socialize with people who came to his house for parties. He believed it would be good to make healthy relations with customers as it benefited the bank. Now, let us look at the third one. How can we say that Mrs. Hill was a kind-hearted, considerate lady? When Mrs. Hill told his wife that Annie should go and they must hire a new cook, she objected माने मना करना, saying that Annie had worked with them for 20 years. She also tried to convince Mr. Hill that it would be difficult for her to find a new job at such an old age. Convince means किसी को मनाना, okay? Now let us look at the fourth one. What was Annie's reaction when she came to know that Mr. Hill had lost his job? Actually Mr. Hill की जॉब नहीं गई थी, उन्होंने ख्वाब में देखा था. एनी को भी उन्होंने ख्वाब में ही देखा था कि एनी का आंसर क्या था. When Annie came to know that Mr. Hill had lost his job, she told him that it didn't matter if he couldn't pay her. She would continue working as she had a feeling of belongingness towards the house, where she had worked for 20 years. She was understanding, sympathetic and considerate. ये जो क्वालिटीज़ हैं ये एनी के हैं. एनी एक्चुअली एक अच्छी लेडी थी जिसने 20 ईयर्स मिस्टर हिल के घर पे काम किया था. नाउ लेट अस लुक एट नेक्स्ट पार्ट. रीड दिस एक्सट्रैक्ट्स फ्रॉम द प्ले एंड आंसर द क्वेश्चंस दैट फॉलो. हाउ विल शी फाइंड अ न्यू जॉब? ये मिसेस हिल ने बोला था. इस सेंटेंस को मिसेस हिल ने बोला था जब मिस्टर हिल ने कहा कि एनी को जॉब से निकाल दो. मिस्टर हिल का पूरा नाम है जॉर्ज हिल और मिसेस हिल का पूरा नाम है जेन हिल. Now, who is she and why should she look for a new job? She refers to Annie. She should look for a new job because Mr. Hill wants her to go as he thinks she is a bad cook. Let us look at the B part. Why will it be difficult for her to find a new job? It will be difficult for her to find a new job because she has grown old. Why does the speaker react in such a manner? Mrs. Hill reacted in such a manner because Annie has been working for them for 20 years. Mrs. Hill is a kind-hearted and considerate lady and understands Annie's problem. Okay? Now let us look at the next one. We had to do it, sir. We were only thinking of the bank. Who does sir refer to? Sir referred to Mr. Hill, the manager of the bank. We refers to Briggs, the assistant manager of the bank, and Winter, the cashier. Winter कोई season नहीं है, यहाँ पे cashier का name है Winter. Okay? Now let us look at the B part. What did they have to do? They had to tell Mr. Hill to resign from his job as the manager of the bank. They had taken permission for the head office to do so. ये सारा उन्होंने ड्रीम देखा था. किसने देखा? मिस्टर हिल ने ड्रीम में देखा कि असिस्टेंट मैनेजर और कैशियर दोनों उनके पास आके हैं उनसे रिज़ाइन करने के लिए बोल रहे हैं. Now let us look at the C part. What was the reason for doing so? They wanted Mr. Hill to resign because they felt that he was not doing his job sincerely. He was not nice to the people in the bank. Therefore, in the interest of the bank, they had to do so. Now let us look at the third extract. But George, why have you changed suddenly? ये किसने बोला होगा चिल्ड्रन? ये बोला था मिसेस हिल ने। जॉर्ज जो है मिस्टर हिल का नाम है और मिसेस हिल ने ये सेंटेंस अपने हस्बैंड मिस्टर हिल को बोला था। वॉट काइंड ऑफ ए मैन वॉज जॉर्ज अर्लियर? अर्लियर जॉर्ज वॉज ए रूड, इनसेंसिटिव, एरोगेंट एंड सेल्फ सेंटर्ड मैन। सिर्फ अपने बारे में सोचने वाला, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड मीन्स। नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द बी पार्ट. What changes have come over George? George has become kind, considerate, sensitive, and caring. What is the reason for these changes? A bad dream which he had in the afternoon put him in a similar situation as Annie and made him realize his mistake and changed him into a compassionate man. Compassionate means दया रखना, जिसके मन में kindness हो उसको compassionate man कहते हैं. Now let us look at the next part. Compare and contrast the character of Mr. Hill with that of Mrs. Hill. See, answer देखते हैं हम. After Mr. Hill had got promoted as the manager of the bank, he changed completely. He had become rude, arrogant, indifferent, insensitive and self-centered. जैसे ही उनको मैनेजर ऑफ द बैंक की पोस्ट मिली उनमें काफ़ी सारे चेंजेस आ गए. किसमें? Mr. Hill में. Mrs. Hill, on the other hand, was kind, compassionate, and considerate. She did not agree when Mr. Hill suggested that Annie should leave as she was a bad cook. Mrs. Hill said that Annie had been working in their house sincerely for 20 years and had grown old. She delayed telling Annie to find a new job. She knew that Annie considered herself as the member of the family and would be hurt. सी चिल्ड्रन, आप चाहिए तो इसमें है ना, यहाँ पे लास्ट के 2 लाइन्स जो है ना उनको हटा सकते हैं. जैसे शी डिलेड टेलिंग एनी टू फाइंड ए न्यू जॉब, वहाँ तक एंड कर सकते हो इस आंसर को. लास्ट की जो लाइन है, शी न्यू दैट एनी कंसिडर्ड हरसेल्फ एज द मेंबर ऑफ द फैमिली एंड वुड बी हर्ट, इसको चाहिए तो आप लिख सकते हो या इसको हटा सकते हो. ओके, नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द हॉट्स. मिस्टर हिल हैड ए बैड ड्रीम. वॉज द ड्रीम रियली बैड? आंसर. Annie, the cook at Mrs. Hill's house, had worked for the family for 20 years. She considered the home to be her own. It would be difficult for her to find a new job at her age. जनरली ओल्ड हो जाते हैं तो उसके बाद जॉब्स कोई भी देना प्रेफर नहीं करता, तो यानी ओल्ड एज में जॉब्स मिलना मुश्किल है. But Mr. Hill was inconsiderate and insensitive as he wanted her to go because she was a bad cook. His dream taught him a lesson. He dreamt that the staff of the bank had visited him and told him to resign as he did not work efficiently and he was not nice to the staff members. Mr. Hill was very upset and tried to reason with them but failed. When he woke up, he realized that he had put Annie in a similar situation. He was regretful and his bad dream changed him into a good human being. तो बैड ड्रीम जो थी वो एक्चुअली बैड थी क्या? एक्चुअली वो मिस्टर हिल के लिए तो वो गुड का काम कर गई थी. ओके, नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द लाइफ स्किल्स. बिफोर वी मूव टू लाइफ स्किल्स, डियर चिल्ड्रन, डियर बच्चों, मुझे अपने वैल्यूएबल लाइक्स ज़रूर देना और इस वीडियो को अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर ज़रूर करना. Now let us look at the life skills. Assuming the dream to be a reality, do you support Mrs. Hill's decision to leave Mr. Hill at the time when she needed her the most? Answer: no. Mrs. Hill's decision to leave Mr. Hill doesn't seem fair or justified. ड्रीम में मिस्टर हिल ने देखा था कि जैसे ही उनकी जॉब जाती है मिसेस हिल उनको छोड़ के चले जाती है. तो ये यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन पूछ रहा है, क्या ये सही है कि जैसे ही मिस्टर हिल की जॉब गई मिसेस हिल उनको छोड़कर चली जाए? इट्स प्रॉबली द वर्स्ट फेज इन मिस्टर हिल्स लाइफ. ही नीडेड द मॉरल सपोर्ट ऑफ हिज वाइफ टू फेस द क्राइसिस. ओके, let's look at the B part. What, according to you, should be the code of conduct of a bank manager with the employees and their customers? A bank manager with his employees should be courteous, should be respectful, should lead by example, should work as hard as the employees do, should protect their interest. A bank manager with his customers. A bank manager with his customers should provide quality service, should value his customer, should make them aware of all relevant information. ज़रूरी information जो customers को चाहिए वो है, या customer से related information जो भी है वो सारी customers को provide करना है. should pass over to them all benefits, should safeguard their money. इट मीन्स कि कस्टमर्स ने जो मनी बैंक में डिपॉजिट की है उस मनी को प्रोटेक्ट करने की जिम्मेदारी जो है वो बैंक मैनेजर के ऊपर रहती है. ओके, नाउ लेट अस लुक एट द नेक्स्ट वन. Compassion for our fellow beings should be an integral part of our existence. Discuss. Compassion means showing kindness towards others. Compassion is one of the essential human traits. यानी ह्यूमन की क्वालिटीज़ में से एक एसेंशियल क्वालिटी है. इट सेपरेट्स मैन फ्रॉम एनिमल्स. मैन इज़ ए सोशल एनिमल. ये तो हमने बचपन से पढ़ा है कि मैन इज़ ए सोशल एनिमल. As such, every individual takes the help and cooperation of other members of the group. Just as we take the help of others when we are in distress, similarly we must show compassion for our fellow beings in the times of distress. Distress means pain या मुश्किल. किसी मुश्किल में जब हम दूसरों की हेल्प लेते हैं, वैसे ही जब कोई मुश्किल में है तो हमें भी उनकी हेल्प करना चाहिए. It is an opportunity for us to pay back to our fellow beings who have always been helpful to us. इस लाइन को चाहिए तो आप कट कर सकते हो चिल्ड्रन. It is like showing gratitude to them for their love, support and compassion. If we fail to do so, there won't be any difference between animals and us. Now, let us look at writing skills. Imagine you are Mr. Hill. Your unpleasant conversation with Mr. Briggs and Mr. Winter awakens your conscience and changes your attitude towards Annie. Write a diary entry expressing your feelings for her before and after your meeting with the visitors. अभी हम पे आंसर में देखो चिल्ड्रन, डायरी एंट्री में सबसे पहले आपको डे, डेट, टाइम ये तीनों कंपलसरी हैं. ये तीनों पॉइंट्स जो हैं ये तीनों पॉइंट्स जो हैं लेफ़्ट कॉर्नर में आपको लिखने हैं. देन उसके बाद सैल्यूटेशन जैसे डियर डायरी करके स्टार्ट किया. फिर उसके बाद में यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है इट इज़ ट्रू दैट एनी इज़ नॉट अ गुड कुक. यहाँ पे आप अपने आप को मिस्टर हिल समझ के लिख रहे हो, इसलिए एनी के बारे में स्टार्ट किया हुआ है. डायरी राइटिंग जो है आप कैसे भी इसको अपनी लैंग्वेज के अकॉर्डिंग लिख सकते हो. आई होप कि यहाँ पे आपको ये समझ में आ गया. इसको मैं ज़्यादा एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रही हूँ. जब आप एंड कर रहे हो तो उसमें लास्ट में आपको अपना नाम लिखना होता है जनरली डायरी एंट्री में, बट यहाँ पे आप मिस्टर हिल बन के लिख रहे हो इसलिए लास्ट में मिस्टर जॉर्ज हिल करके लिखोगे. ओके, गिव मी योर वैल्यूएबल लाइक्स. थैंक्स फॉर बीइंग विथ अस.